Good afternoon, all friends. How are you? I'm RUKHSAR, so you're most welcome new vlog. So guys, sorry guys, I have not uploaded videos because I am very busy. But now, guys, I am free and think so one make videos English. So guys, my daughter and my son has gone tuition and my husband, my sweetheart, has gone office and my father-in-law has gone work. work. Okay, so guys, I think one make videos in English. So guys, and I have just taken lunch. Today I have prepared mixed pulse and rice and chapati. And my favorite mixed pulse very tasty Naira is favorite pulse. So guys, I think so. One make videos English blog videos. So guys, this is my room. You can see, and I have made new kitchen and before my kitchen on the floor, but nowadays I am made on the table gas stove and I am preparing tea and tea and morning breakfast and dinner and lunch because comfortable on the table and I am very comfortable because on the floors my gas chulha and my back paining very because 1 hour 2 hours and sitting and preparing rice and vegetables and chapati and tea. So guys, because uncomfortable feel, I think so. I want take a table and on the gas stove. So guys, you can see this is my kitchen and this is my bed, simple bed. So I'm not rich girl, I am poor girl. So guys, but thank God my room is very small, but small things available and my stitching machine and my kids study table and my ring light and my whiteboard. I teach my kids and my so well. I think so. I think so. One video upload and I will go sleep. Okay. So guys, my video daily upload and please guys support me and my channel subscribe their friends send and like my share. Thank you so much guys. Like me, follow, subscribe and धन्यवाद.